This is the Vive shoulder immobilizer, and we're going to be showing you how to put it on. So it comes with this patch that holds the sling into this X shape. You want that patch to go over the head here, and then over the chest, and then the affected arm would go inside of the sling. And then the straps are already positioned in a way where they're ready to be pulled off to the side. So this comes up and under. And there's two sets of loops here. You could thread it through either loop. It's just for added security so that the strap doesn't fall out. That comes through here. Secures right there. Same thing on the other side. And the next step would be getting the body strap. This is gonna immobilize the shoulder to make sure it doesn't move. You want it right over the elbow joint. So Suzanne, if you want to grab that, press it in right there, that works. You come around, immobilizing the affected arm underneath your good arm, and you attach it there on the other side. And that's the Vive shoulder immobilizer.